everyone. We are showing you how to get the sound test in Sonic 1. You can play literally any character and edit the game.
Hey,
show you.
my name is Jeff. Can I be in?
Your name, Jeff?
Yes, I am here, Ryan, and I have come to get new glasses. And you obviously see that I have a haircut.
This is stupid. Why is this here? I don't want to see that ever again.
Again.
Let's press the no save button, and we'll show you how to get to the sound test. Play as any character, but we only have Sonic, because we don't play for
Okay, now just tap the Segas.
Just press all the letters, and then
you swipe with 2 fingers on him.
Yeah, you'll hear the chime, and once you're on the title screen, swipe with your 2 fingers.
And now swipe. Just swipe, Caleb. Dun dun dun. Nope. Yeah. Dun!
See, people? And, so you can go to any level you want.
We were super excited that we finally found out how to do this.
Yeah, we had to watch this little kid do this. It was pretty embarrassing.
It was terrifying.
Alright, so player 0 is Sonic and Tails.
Now,
player 1 is just Sonic. Player 2 is Tails, and player 3 is Nipples the Enchilada.
Wait, can you go farther?
No, I don't.
Oh.
You can turn off Spin Dash. You can G and D.
Wait, Caleb, can you get the Can you get the
inner Spin Dash?
Can you get the
Sonic 1 spikes off items?
Can you get all the chaos emeralds?
Yeah.
Oh, you should do that.
That's Sonic 1 plus Sonic 3 items. Sonic 2 plus Sonic 3 items. Max emeralds, and then the sound test. And so we're going to show you a little bit. Oh, I just need it. I'm going to do that.
Wait, do you want to be Sonic and Tails?
Oh, no. I'm going to be Nipples. And I'm going to play... Wait, I don't want to play Scrap Brain. I've been losing my voice a little bit.
Wait.
Now we're going to play Marble Zone.
Caleb, I shall kill you with this squirt gun.
No, don't do it. You'll see... Look at this thing. Look, I can play as Nipples.
Oh, wait, he's not super.
Why is this lagging?
Oh, he's slow. He's underwater.
Oh, I'm not underwater.
And where is he?
I don't know.
Okay. Oh, it's a grubby worm.
Those are called the Killer Pillars.
But she wants to give you a hug.
Don't let them touch you.
But they want to give you a hug.
Look, I am faster than everything.
Dun 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 dun. He's Superman.
Dun, dun, dun.
Superman on the rescue. Do I sound weird?
Gotta go down.
Dun 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 dun. Is he Mario? Because he is red.
Ooh, it's Flash.
Oh no, he's burning.
I'm not burning. Now I'm resistant to the lava.
Darn it. Would that stay on forever?
Yes, unless I get hurt.
Oh my, that's good.
After Act 1, I'll just end the video.
Okay. But just to know, for you,
oh no, so you just press the letters of Sega at the start.
Don't forget to subscribe and put a thumbs up.
Make sure to keep that thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for Sonic and Yu-Gi-Oh content.
We'll do more stuff than.
We'll do more stuff than this. I've been playing Sonic Advance 2 a little, but for some reason it won't let me record anymore. I can finally just use my Sonic 2. Now we can use Sonic 2 and Sonic 2. I don't want a lighting shield.
Well, the lighting shield doesn't do it. Continue. Dun-dun,
Gotta
dun-dun.
go fast.
Oh my. What's that noise? Terrifying bats. Would I terrify you if I scared you at night and made a creepy noise and I had a tail doll and I chucked it at you? Would I?
Tails doll isn't that scary unless it's creepypasta stuff.
It's terrifying to me.
Alright, everyone. That's it for this video.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys later. Get off of the screen.
Okay.
Alright, I'll see you guys later. Make sure to subscribe and put a thumbs up to
I
this
already
video.
said that.
Alright, see you guys later. Peace out. Peeps.
Wait,